mascara of grade 4 Emerald. Today, we are going to make a fun experiment. We will be mixing liquid materials with solid materials, and let's see if they dissolve or not dissolve. For our liquid materials, we have water, Sprite, vinegar, cooking oil, and water. And for our solid materials, we have Himalayan salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, sand, and flour. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start this experiment. First, we are going to mix salt and water. Don't forget to mix it well. In my observation, I can no longer see any salt particles, which means salt does dissolve in water. Next, we are going to mix Italian seasoning and Sprite. Mix, mix, mix! Guys, can you still see the Italian seasoning? Yes, we can still clearly see it. Actually, the Italian seasoning is floating. Therefore, Italian seasoning does not dissolve in Sprite. Next mixture, we have garlic powder and vinegar. Don't forget to mix it thoroughly. In my observation, the garlic powder partially dissolved in the vinegar. Next materials are sand and cooking oil. This is interesting. Let's see what will happen. In my observation, the sand just settles down at the bottom of the glass. Therefore, I conclude that sand does not dissolve in cooking oil. Last mixture is flour and water. Mix, mix, mix. So here's the result of the water and flour. It creates a mixture known as a suspension. So let's make a recap. Salt dissolved in water. Italian seasoning did not dissolve in Sprite. Garlic powder partially dissolved in vinegar. Sand did not dissolve in cooking oil. And flour did not dissolve in water. Guys, did you learn something today? Hope you enjoyed our experiment. Bye-bye!